तर आजच्या भागामध्ये आपण ट्रान्सफॉर्मर विषयी जे एमपीएससी मध्ये महत्त्वाचे प्रश्न विचारले जातात त्यासंबंधी अभ्यास करूया। तर आपल्याला माहिती आहे ट्रान्सफॉर्मरचे आपण दोन प्रकार पाहतो, स्टेप डाऊन ट्रान्सफॉर्मर, स्टेप अप ट्रान्सफॉर्मर। तर आपण पाहूया स्टेप डाऊन ट्रान्सफॉर्मर काय असतं किंवा स्टेप डाऊन ट्रान्सफॉर्मर काय करतं। तर कन्वर्ट हायर व्होल्टेज ॲट लोअर करंट इनटू लोअर व्होल्टेज ॲट हायर करंट। व्होल्टेज काय होतोय, कमी होतोय आणि करंट काय होतोय, वाढतोय। लक्षात कसं ठेवायचंय पहा, डायग्राम पहा, हा प्रायमरी सेकंडरी, ओके। कन्वर्ट हायर व्होल्टेज ॲट लोअर करंट इनटू लोअर व्होल्टेज ॲट हायर करंट। स्टेप अप मध्ये अपोजिट, प्रायमरी कॉइल आहे, सेकंडरी कॉइल आहे। कन्वर्ट लोअर व्होल्टेज ॲट हायर करंट इनटू हायर व्होल्टेज ॲट लोअर करंट। लोअर व्होल्टेज ॲट हायर करंट इनटू हायर व्होल्टेज ॲट लोअर करंट। तर ट्रान्सफॉर्मर मध्ये काय होतं, तर ईएमएफ इज इंड्यूस्ड इन वन कॉइल इफ करंट इज चेंजिंग इन नियर बाय कॉइल। त्याचं कन्स्ट्रक्शन कसं केलेलं आहे, तर इट कन्सिस्ट ऑफ टू आयसोलेटेड कॉइल्स। वन कॉइल इज कनेक्टेड टू AC which is called primary coil and second coil is connected to the load which is called secondary coil. See in the diagram, primary coil is connected to AC and secondary coil is connected to load in transformer, and EMF is induced in one coil if current is changing in nearby coil. Now see for ideal transformer. For ideal transformer, no winding resistance, no magnetic loss or a leakage, no iron loss and zero magnetizing current. But in practical transformer, iron loss, winding resistance and magnetic leakage is present in practical transformer. Whereas in ideal transformer, no winding resistance, no magnetic loss, no iron loss, zero magnetizing current. Now see Faraday's law. Faraday's law, EP is equal to minus sign NP into d phi by dt. EP for primary coil, ES for secondary coil, number of coils or turns in primary coil, number of turns in secondary coil. When we will solve examples or MCQ, you will understand it easily. See the formula, ES is equal to minus ns dot d phi by dt. ns by np is equal to k, transformation ratio. See the final formula, es upon ep is equal to ns upon np. And another important formula, for ideal transformer, power output is equal to power input. Means we can write ES into IS is equal to EP into IP. Means ES by EP is equal to IP by IS. In general, E is directly proportional to 1 by I, means E is inversely proportional to I. For a real transformer, efficiency is 90 to 99%. Means for practical transformer, Real transformer 90 to 99% efficiency. MCQs. Which of the following does not change in transformer? Current, voltage, frequency, all. We see current and voltage are changes, but frequency not. Hence the answer is frequency. In a transformer, the energy is conveyed from primary to secondary through the coil, through the air, by the flux, none. Answer is by the flux. A transformer core is laminated to reduce hysteresis losses, reduce eddy current losses, reduce copper losses, reduce all above losses. The answer is reduce eddy current losses. The degree of mechanical vibrations produced by the laminations of a transformer depends on tightness of clamping, gauges of laminations, size of laminations, or all. The answer is all. The no load current drawn by transformer is usually what percent of a full load transformer? The no load current drawn by transformer is usually what percent of a full load current? The answer is 2 to 5%. The path of a magnetic flux is in a transformer should have high resistance, high reluctance, low resistance, low reluctance. The answer is low reluctance. No load on a transformer is carried out to determine copper loss, magnetizing current and loss efficiency of a transformer. The answer is magnetizing current and loss. The dielectric strength of a transformer oil expected to be? Answer is 33 kV. The efficiency of a transformer will be maximum when copper loss is equal to hysteresis losses. Hysteresis losses is equal to eddy current losses. Eddy current losses is equal to copper losses. Copper losses is equal to iron losses. The answer is copper losses is equal to iron losses.